Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we're continuing our NMR topic, and then we are reaching towards some of the main topics. आज जो हमारा टॉपिक है that is important regions in the NMR scale. तो हमने कहा था कि different types of compounds में जो different protons है, वो protons different type of absorption show करते हैं. और we can say those protons have their different value of chemical shift. इसको हमने डेल्टा बोला था. तो फिर उसके लिए एक स्केल है जिसे हमने जो एनएमआर स्पेक्ट्रम होता है उसमें मैंने कहा था कि जो एक्स एक्सिस है एक्स एक्सिस बेसिकली शोज दैट्स बेसिकली द केमिकल शिफ्ट जिसको हम पार्ट्स पर मिलियन में जो है हमने डिफाइन किया that it's actually now being expressed as delta values in parts per million. This chemical shift is basically the frequency of absorption. So मैंने कहा था प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में, तो यहाँ मैंने कहा था हम इसका जो है वैल्यू 1 इसका 0 लेते हैं इस पॉइंट पे जो DMS का होता है. देन वी हैव 2 हियर, और जो 1H प्रोटॉन एनएमआर की स्केल अराउंड 10 होती है, 10 to 12 मैक्सिमम, वाला जो कार्बन 13 दैट्स अराउंड 200, इट्स अराउंड 200. दिस इज 6, दिस इज 8, दिस इज 10 and so on. Now this is your scale. इसी स्केल में कुछ प्रोटॉन यहाँ एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, कुछ यहाँ, उनमें थोड़ी सी वेरिएशन आ जाती है डिपेंड्स ऑन द नंबर ऑफ कंपाउंड्स. अगर हम जनरल देखिए तो एल्फेटिक प्रोटॉन यानी वो प्रोटॉन जो एल्फेटिक कंपाउंड्स में यानी जैसे एल्फेटिक चेन होता है हाइड्रोकार्बन तो सिंगल बॉन्डेड वाला, तो उसमें जो प्रोटॉन्स हैं वो कहाँ एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, उनका रेंज यूजुअली देखा गया कि इट इज देयर. जैसे मैंने कहा कि आपका लो फ्रीक्वेंसी रीजन और लो डेल्टा रीजन. सो दिस इज अराउंड 2 और 2.5 यहाँ पे. तो ये जो रीजन होता है दिस वन, दिस इज फॉर एलिफेटिक प्रोटॉन्स. एलिफेटिक प्रोटॉन्स ये वाला रीजन 2, 2.5, sometimes goes to 3 hardly. Now उसके बाद याद है कि मैं यहाँ पे इस टॉपिक में डिस्कस some basic main points, क्योंकि at our level we are not working on the molecules at the moment. कोई रिसर्च नहीं कर रहे अभी, तो we'll go on main reasons. ये आपको एग्जाम में भी काफी यूजफुल आएगा बाद में, चाहे कोई कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम हो. इस तरह से और एक क्रूशियल रीजन है दैट इज द स्टिलिनिक रीजन. So that goes up to 3.54, ये वाला रीजन. Yeah, this is your stellenic region. So this region is stellene, means जहाँ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हो. So it is basically the triple bond. कार्बन कार्बन के दरमियान ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हो, and then we have protons attached. So this is the region for these protons. So ये जो मैंने एलिफेटिक यहाँ पे दिखाया, I think it's better that we'll show it by a single carbon single bond and we'll show a proton. That seems a bit इस तरह का बॉन्ड, यानी वो प्रोटॉन जो सिंगल बॉन्डेड कार्बन में अटैच होगा उस प्रोटॉन का दैट फॉलो द फ्रीक्वेंसी रीजन अराउंड दिस 0 to 2.5. फिर 2.5 से 4 के आसपास दैट्स स्टिलिनिक प्रोटॉन. Usually 4 तक भी नहीं जाता, around 3, maximum will take it up to 4 hardly. So these are 2 regions. Then we have one more region, very crucial region. That's the olefinic region. It goes from 4 to sometimes 6, sometimes 7 to olefinic region. For the olefinic region like 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is your olefinic region. Olefinic region means the protons which are actually attached to CC double bond. Un protons, they fall in this region. So this is olefinic region, this is stellenic region, this is aliphatic proton region. Fine. Now उसके बाद जो crucial region सबसे important है, that is the aromatic region. तो ये तो it can go from 6, it can go from here 7, can go from 9 also. यहाँ पे याद रखें कि it can vary in compounds, it depends, but usually is they fall in this region. So it's from like 6 around to 7, 8, 9. So this is your aromatic region. So aromatic region के लिए I will show it by aromatic ring, and then I will label the proton here. So it means we are actually dealing with the aromatic protons. Fine. So it's from like 6.5 to 8, 9, 9 around it. And then one more most important, that is the aldehydic proton. It can go to 11 sometimes, 10, 11s around, 9, 10, 11. So this is your aldehydic region. So this is basically the proton attached to the aldehyde. So we're basically talking about this proton. So these are the important regions in the chemical shift. Some of the important regions in the scale of the NMR spectrum. This is aliphatic region, falls around. इस region में aliphatic protons different compounds में ज़ाहिर है इनका nature different होगा, but they generally fall around this 2.5. Estylenic protons, they fall from around this, and then ethylenic protons उनका chemical shift is more, it fall around this, and then aromatic protons and the aldehydic protons. Now अब उनको explain करेंगे short में, बहुत concise में. Now we'll take example of first one, ethylene. So the case number 1. So we'll take number 1, that is the ethylene molecule. Now why its chemical shift value is high? That is the protons attached to the C double bond C. So यहाँ का the value is around like 4 to 6.5 delta value. Now why it's so? इसका chemical shift value high क्यों है? That means why it absorbs at higher frequency. तो it can be explained by this. अब जैसे अगर हम structure को देखेंगे, जो double bonded carbons होते हैं उनमें structure, and we'll take the simple example, that is ethylene molecule. This is ethylene molecule. ये sigma bond होता है. This is a pi bond. अब pi bond में हमने पता है कि its lobes are above and below the plane. Pi bond is above and below. So it has pi electron density above and below the plane. जब ये molecule magnetic field में रखा जाता है NMR sample के तौर पे, तो those pi electrons, they rotate in such a manner, they generate a magnetic field. That magnetic field has two directions. तो magnetic field इस तरह से generate होता है by the rotation of these pi electrons. इस तरह से इसकी दो directions होती है. Basically these are lines, magnetic field lines. So they are basically this rotation, they generate the magnetic field, and they have magnetic field lines. They have the magnetic field lines in the molecule. So they are the loops basically. Fine. So these loops, so अगर आप देखें यहाँ पे ये molecule, inside the molecule जो magnetic lines है, they are actually in this direction. लेकिन we see outside they are in this direction. Now हमने molecule को magnetic field में रखा. Let us say this is the direction of the applied magnetic field north south, H0 applied field. अब देख लीजिए यहाँ पे अगर देखिए outside the molecule, this magnetic field lines, they have the direction which is actually parallel to the applied field. So they are parallel. But inside, just scale के this. So inside the molecule is opposite. That means at this, the magnetic field faced by the protons is more. It gets added up because vectors are in the same direction. When they experience more magnetic field, we know when a relation बोले कि frequency of absorption of a given proton, that depends on how much magnetic field experiences. यहाँ पे it experiences more magnetic field. So these protons, so that means they have higher frequency of absorption, and that is why the frequency of absorption is around very high. It's considered very high. That's 4, 5, 6, 6.5 for alkenic protons. So this is the case for alkenic protons. Why? It's because of the pi electrons are present. They have this pi bond electron density above and below, and these pi electrons, they rotate inside the magnetic field. Under the influence of magnetic field, they rotate in such a manner, they generate the magnetic field which has magnetic lines outside different direction and inside the molecule different direction. So outside the molecule, the magnetic field the vectors, they are parallel to the applied field, hence the total magnetic field experienced by the proton is more, so the frequency of absorption is more. That means the chemical shift value is more. Number one. और ये जो केस होता है जहां पे भी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेट होगा इस मैनर में कि आउटसाइड वी हैव वन डायरेक्शन and inside we have a different direction. So this is called as the anisotropic effect. Actually में बहुत important topic है NMR का anisotropic effect. That means the magnetic field which is generated by the rotation of these pi electrons, it has two directions in space. So अब यहाँ पे देखिए outside this molecule, it's considered to be outside the molecular portion. The magnetic field is the same as this. It's called as the paramagnetic effect. While is inside, it is opposite to the applied field. It's called diamagnetic effect in short. So this is case number one. Now to finish these all four portions in today's class, now we'll move to the case number that is why it's very high in case of benzene. So the case of benzene. So this is your benzene molecule. Basically थोड़ा सा ये structure हो गया, but it's just all these protons are equivalent. Molecule is like a spherical. Now we have pi bonds. We know that they are in the resonance, so we'll show them like this. And these pi bonds are above and below the plane because they are basically, so this ring, this rotation is basically this resonance of electrons like above and below. Now when this molecule is placed inside the magnetic field, the NMR spectroscopy, these molecules rotate under the influence of external magnetic field, and their rotation, they generate the magnetic field similar to the ethylene molecule. But in this case, now we have a complete ring. So this rotation generates a strong magnetic field. This is called a ring current effect. So this is called as a ring current effect. यहाँ मैं थोड़ा basic ही जा रहा हूँ. I'm not going deep into it. So it's called a ring current effect. So because of ring current effect, they generate a very strong magnetic field. So again मैं short में दिखा रहा हूँ. So it has two directions. So inside the direction of magnetic field is like this, and outside. So outside देखिए molecule की magnetic field lines, they are like this. Inside the molecule they are opposite. Same is the case here. So it's automatically, that means again it's like ethylene molecule, that the rotation of these pi electrons here, they generate a strong, because it's a pi electron cloud, circle in a circle, so there's a very strong magnetic field. Now if you consider the applied field, the external magnetic field. Now you see, if you look here, that outside the molecule, ये basically मैंने एक दिखा लिया, it can be here also. It has many lines basically, so it's like this also. Just for example. So basically कहने का ये meaning है कि ये जो protons have, these are outside the molecule. So they face these magnetic field lines in this direction. So these lines, they are basically, this magnetic field is parallel to the applied field. That means these protons experience greater magnetic field. Same is the case with all. So all these protons, they experience a strong magnetic field. That means when the magnetic field experienced by them is stronger, so they actually absorb greater frequency. That means they have a greater chemical shift. That is why the chemical shift value for aromatic protons is very, very high. It's considered to be highly dishielded, this region. That's why this region is considered to be highly dishielded. Acetylene, benzene, and this. So it's around like 6 to 8.5. Now this is called as special case of deshielding of the aromatic protons. It's called a ring current effect. Okay, we'll move to point number 3. Point number 3, aldehydic protons में भी बहुत ही, if you consider the case of aldehydic protons, इज योर एल्डिहाइडिक कार्बोनिल ग्रुप। अब यहाँ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप में देखिए एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे ये है कि देयर इज अ सिग्मा बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट एंड दैट्स टुवर्ड्स द कार्बन, so it takes electron density away from the carbon, enters, it takes the this is the direction of these sigma electrons, so इसकी वजह से sigma electron density हाइड्रोजन से जा रही है, that means this becomes dish-shielded, number one. Second, इसमें pi bond यहाँ पे होता है, so it behaves like a ethylene molecule, it generates the magnetic field which has two lines, fine, so it has two lines, so here basically you have to draw that now. So this is your proton, so the magnetic field is in this direction. Basically बहुत सारे lines होती है, अब मैं यहाँ पे I'm making for our understanding very easy, so that inside the molecule, inside this bond, they are in this direction. So while as when you go towards this side, so they are basically in that different direction. This is anisotropic effect. So कहने का ये मीनिंग है that this is the applied field direction. अब देखिए यहाँ पे ये जो lines again, this hydrogen is faced in such a manner that it experiences this magnetic field in this direction, which is basically parallel to the applied field. That means experiences greater magnetic field plus this inductive effect. So inductive effect plus this anisotropic effect, it sums up, it produces a greater, in the end, it results in the larger chemical shift, or they absorb at a higher frequency region. It's basically number one, the inductive effect, oxygen. Second, this pi bond which is present, which has the anisotropic effect in like the ethylene. So this effect, but this effect, it results in the larger chemical shift value in all the organic compounds around this 10, 11, 12. Fine. Now a question यहाँ पे आता है, ethylene molecule में भी pi bond set, and why its absorption frequency is less? Why its chemical shift value is less close to the aliphatic proton? Why? Now, इसको explain करने के लिए we assume that after many experiments, the conclusion is that the ethylene molecule orients itself in this manner. Now this is your ethylene molecule, C triple bond. It's basically ethylene molecule. अब इसको हम ऐसे भी रख सकते थे perpendicular, जैसे ethylene molecule. ethylene के केस में हमने ऐसे बोला था that this was the applied field H0. इसके केस में this is also the applied field H0. So the people the scientists have came to the conclusion that in this case, ethylene case, the molecule behaves like it's oriented perpendicular to the applied field, but in this case, ethylene molecule, it behaves in such a manner that it orients itself parallel to the applied field. Fine. Now we have two pi bonds here. So they will rotate under the influence of magnetic field. So they will generate the magnetic field lines in this manner. So we have this case that outside the molecule we have parallel, inside the molecule it's in this direction. अगर यहाँ देखिए जो protons essence they have this 180 degree angle state, so they basically are the magnetic vector is in this direction. Look at these lines, these arrows, whereas our applied field is opposite to that. Now since applied magnetic field and this, they have different vectors, they are in the opposite direction, so result is that the protons experiences the less magnetic field, less than what actually we have applied. अब चूंकि ये magnetic field less experience करता है, that means the frequency of absorption will also be less because it's experienced less magnetic field, and frequency of absorption less. Frequency of absorption basically means the chemical shift से हमने कहा था, it's basically the chemical shift of sample with respect to TMS. So basically chemical shift हमने बोला था previous lectures, it's basically the frequency of absorption. So as it experiences less magnetic field of frequency of absorption less, the chemical shift value less goes further down, but then it is slightly higher than the aliphatic, because aliphatic may effect of pi bond is not there. So this is all about some of the crucial regions in the NMR spectroscopy, in the NMR scale. This is the case of the acetylene, alkene protons, aromatic protons, and the aldehydic protons. So this is all for the day. ये बहुत ही important lecture है. very useful as well as far as the competitive exams is concerned.